with a Pisces. Bad bitch, long hair with some nice teeth. Flash shit only, kinda like me. Me and you, we can do this every night, see. I just really wanna kick it with a Pisces. Lay back, get lifted with a Pisces. Okay.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, XOXO Mochaccino, and this is Uni. Uni meets subscribers, subscribers meet Uni. What?
What did you just do to Vanilla?
Look.
My unicorn?
I named it Uni.
That's not her name. Her name is Vanilla.
Whatever. Again with another video. This time I am going to show you these beautiful butterfly crochet braids. Yes, these are crocheted. I know this is like the new wave. What should I say? Rave? Whatever. And first, I was kind of nervous because y'all know I never really tried short like extensions, I guess you can say. So I was kind of nervous, but I'm glad I tried it. It's actually growing on me. I think it's really cute. It's really different. But anyway, I got this hair from a company from Amazon. They reached out to me and they sent me this hair and they wanted me to do a review. I'm going to leave all the deets in the description. So far, I really think it's pretty. It's so cute. I didn't pay, but it didn't. I believe it wasn't no more. It probably was less than $30. No more than $30. It was no more than $30. The hair, I still have a, you don't know where you put the hair, did you? Okay, just the pack of it. Thank you. So when I got the package, sorry I didn't do an unwrapping, but it came like this, but it was 6 of these. And this is what I have left, and I also probably have like, what, 5 other pieces plus this. And I did my whole head, which is a plus. And I gave it some, you know, some cute hair jewelry, whatnot. But I'm just going to show you guys real quick how I did it. And I will be back.
Come take my hand, I won't let you go. I'll be your friend, I will love you so deeply. I will be the one to kiss you at night. I will love you until the end. I'll be your baby, I promise not to let you go. I'll be your baby, I promise not to let you go. I'll be your baby, I promise not to let you go. I'll be your baby, I promise not to let you go. I'll be your baby, I promise not to let you go. Love you like Come take my hand, I won't let you go. I'll be your friend, I will love you so deeply. I will be the one to kiss you at night. I will love you until the end.
So, you guys, this is the final look of everything. This is how it look on the side. I might wear it on the side a lot. Or some days I'm wearing it in the middle too. Because I like it in the middle too. It's really cute in the middle. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. All my returning subscribers, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for holding it down. Also, anyone that's watching for the very first time and you like what you see, you know what to do. Click that notification bell so you can know when I'm providing new content. Also, you guys can follow me on my social media. I only have Instagram. Instagram at XOXO_mochaccino. And I do have Clubhouse now, so it's the same thing, XOXO_mochaccino. Again, thank you guys for watching my video, and bye.